Hello, and thank you for visiting rollerauction.com. In this video, we'll show you how to use the My Account features. First thing you'll do, in the upper right, you'll have the My Account icon right here that you can click to enter your account. There's also the account and watch list at the top. Click on that My Account button. Once clicking on that, you can edit any of your personal information, your preferences. There are some different options here to set up, and then whether you want to have email or text if you've set that up with your verification code. We will soon have some additional links here to put some more explanations on what these do. Auto bid is if you've placed a max bid and the system bids on your behalf, you'll get an email letting you know. Outbid notifications are notifications when another bidder has placed a higher bid in our system. These outbid notifications will be sent out up until the final 5 minutes of a lot closing. Winner notify, that is, if you have that turned on, email or text, that'll notify you when you are the winning bidder of a lot. The system will email or text you to let you know. When there's a payment applied to your account, you can have an email or text sent to yourself. And then the lot closing soon functionality, if you turn this on, items that are favorited, that's the star that you watch an item or favorite it. If you have the lot closing soon option turned on, then 15 minutes prior to that lot closing, you can get a notification that it's closing soon, and that's the 15-minute threshold. You can add additional credit cards, change that information there. This is going to be your watch list. In the watch list, there are different ways that you can filter this, but it's going to be by auction. And the first view, my favorites, is going to be those items that I have specifically watched. And I can tell on this that I have bid on this lot and I'm outbid because it's red. I can also change the view in my watch list to be my bids. And that's everything that I have actually placed a bid on. And just like the main view where you're bidding, if it's an outline in red, it's something you've bid on previously and you're outbid. And if it's green, you're currently the high bidder. You can also sort that by items I'm winning, where it's just the items that you're the winning bidder on, or items that I'm losing. Again, this is sorted by auction, and then it's also going to tell you what your current winning bid is, the totals of your current winning bids, and then what your total max bids of items that you are winning. You can also see the Invoices tab here, where at the end of an auction, if you have won any items, you will eventually see your invoice show up here, both for that auction and any past auctions that you are the winning bidder on. That's some information on the watch list. Going back to the My Account, you can scroll through the auction. Again, noting the red outline is going to be items you have been outbid on, and the green outline will be items that you're winning on. If you have any questions for us, please call us 303-289-1600. You can also always email us at info@rollerauction.com. Thank you.